make whipped cream while the biscuits are in the oven. So, first I need to combine 1/2 cup cold heavy cream.
It's good to always look at eye level where you're measuring because you get a much more accurate measurement than if you're trying to hold the measuring cup while you're doing it.
And just a teensy bit more. Perfect. So I'll add that to my bowl. And like I said, I have to scrape it all out. Now I need 2 teaspoons sugar.
And you could use powdered sugar too if you happen to have that.
But I like to use sugar. It says I need 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. It's easier with the vanilla if you put this, your non-dominant hand holding it, and then your dominant hand pouring so you don't spill all over.
That's great advice.
Just pour that in. Now I'm gonna mix it with this, a hand mixer. That's much more easier with a hand mixer. So, and I need to mix it for a while so it can get so it can whip together.
Okay.
Great. I'll turn it on 2 for right now. I can mix with my dominant hand, but then I like to hold the bowl so it doesn't spin while I'm doing it. And I like to switch hands too, because sometimes it gets tired. Stay close. I'm just going to turn it out a little.
Show us what it looks like. Ooh.
So, I like to try it though.
That's a great idea.
Wait, check this. It's really good.
Thanks, Claire.